Hello everyone! Today, we'll be talking about making carrot juice and the numerous health benefits it offers. Carrots are a versatile and nutritious vegetable that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But did you know that carrot juice can also be a powerful health beverage? Let's dive into how to make carrot juice and the benefits it has to offer. First, let's discuss the ingredients you'll need to make carrot juice. All you need are fresh carrots, a juicer, and some water or ice. You can add a little bit of sugar or honey to enhance the taste, but it's best to keep it simple. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of carrot juice. One of the most significant advantages is its high concentration of beta-carotene. This carotenoid is a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, immune function, and cell growth. Additionally, carrot juice is a great source of vitamin C, which supports a strong immune system and helps with tissue repair. It also contains potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper fluid balance and muscle function. Carrot juice is also a fantastic way to get some of the antioxidants that carrots are known for. These antioxidants help protect your body against damage caused by free radicals, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Furthermore, the high fiber content in carrot juice can help regulate digestion and lower cholesterol levels. In conclusion, making carrot juice is a simple and delicious way to enjoy the many health benefits of this versatile vegetable. By using fresh carrots, simple ingredients, and a juicer, you can enjoy a refreshing and nutritious beverage that can support your overall health and well-being. So, go ahead and give carrot juice a try. Your body will thank you.